Hey, if your SHEIN app freezes, crashes, or won't load on Android or iPhone, here's a simple fix that works. Force close the app. On iPhone, swipe up, remove SHEIN from recent apps. On Android, hold the app icon, app info, and force stop. Clear cache. On iPhone, reinstall the app. On Android, go to the settings, apps, SHEIN, storage, clear cache, and data. Update the app. Go to App Store, Google Play, or Play Store and check for updates. Check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Reboot your phone. This fixes 80% of these issues. If still doesn't open, uninstall and reinstall the app. SHEIN often releases backend updates. A quick reinstall forces sync with their latest servers. After that, you'll log in fresh and the app should work smoothly again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.